Perform every 40 hours. Check oil and pneumatic lubricator. For best performance, the system should drip 6 drips per minute when system is running. It is important that oil is used. If no oil is required after 1 week time, adjust lubricator. Check air filter. Water and residue level should not be higher than the float inside the bowl. Pressing lightly sideways on the valve at the bottom of the bowl will clear out the water. Remove water regularly. Perform every 200 hours. Lubricate grease fittings on hold-down bearings, roller bearings, measuring table wheels, swing arm shafts and hinge shafts if applicable. Check oil level in hydraulic power unit. The tank should be full when the cylinder is fully retracted. Check sight glass. Perform every 2,000 hours. Change hydraulic oil filters. Change hydraulic oil and filter.